Hello, hello, once again. I'm crazy, folks. I'm crazy. Um, get this. We're having a nice little spring fun. Ooh, lightning. Um, you can hear my TV in the background. Hey, they're going to send out the sirens, folks. The tornado sirens.
And again, if we're talking 2-inch size hail, then let's see if we can put some comparison in there.
It's dark. It's 6:10 Monday, 27th of April. It's dark.
Again, if we're getting closer to that 2-inch mark,
And
that puts us around egg size. And
I can hear the.
much automatically into that severe criteria.
Here.
1-inch hail, that's a quarter
I went to open the door, but I got the alarm on.
quarter of an inch, but yeah, somewhere between an inch and an inch and a half.
Hold on, maybe I'll mute the TV.
Because hailstones have been exceeding that 2-inch mark, so tennis
So.
ball size hail.
Hold up towards the door. Yeah, folks. I don't know if you can hear the rain hitting the metal, but yeah, we actually got a little action this morning. It was monsoon style rain.
On hold at the railroad, so I cannot confirm that any traffic has been stopped.
Got the scanner going.
Before I'll let you know about your train coming.
There's an issue with guy on the rail right now. I'm watching my monitor. Who would have thunk I'd be podcasting a storm? Of course, ooh, low lightning.
Power in Loami.
Low Amy, a little town just to southwest of me. Lost power. We were supposed to get some 70-mile-per-hour winds. And go and look out my back door. You're asking why I'm not using the camera. Well, I may have to go to the bath. Use the ooh. And I don't want to violate any YouTube policies of filming myself in the bathroom. You can hear the picking up now. Really come down now. I'm staying right next to the door. You're not really supposed to do that. But thankfully, I got both doors shut. The screen door is double locked. It's supposed to be putting out the sirens, but I'm not hearing it.
Not seeing spin, but definitely it wants to hook and do a little something sitting south of the city at this point in time. Cheryl, are you also seeing what I'm seeing here between Springfield and Chatham?
A little suspect area right there. But as we were mentioning, we have 2 active tornado warnings right now, which could blossom into even more multiple warnings. But at this point, we still have our official warning here for northeastern parts of Sangamon County on into western Logan County. Our tornado warning that continues for the next couple of minutes or so. It'll be interesting to see if they expand.
I know there's a lot of dead air, but
suspect area here
let's
on
go
the
with it.
south side of Springfield that we're watching very closely. It appears to be a little bit of a notch. So that could be possibly another.
Still coming down really hard. It's heading sideways. It's a monsoon. It's a monsoon right now. Ooh, a little lightning. And there's the thunder. It's not too close off, maybe a few miles away. Looking at my neighbor's trees. I know a bitch and moan about this house, but the good thing is the neighbor's house is has enough room I can pull my car up this afternoon. I didn't eat today. I actually take that back. I did eat. But I was like, man, I knew the storm was coming. And I didn't want to go to the grocery store, but man, my car is getting heavy rain down. Well, it's a good thing I don't have to go to the car wash. Hold on. Maybe I should have put some little rain soap on it.
Detective said he confirmed he was going southbound on the right side, so we westbound, or west of there. He said a half mile at the most. It looked like the individual was on the tracks and couldn't tell if it was a person and possibly a white t-shirt. Definitely.
It's just raining buckets. Mustard everywhere. Mustard everywhere. Just, and there goes somebody driving the San Monsoon. Ooh.
88.
They're sounding the sirens. And it's amazing on TV. It's a monsoon. Nothing can be seen. I really hope this zoomer is really worth the money, because I hope it picked up all that rain picking up.
That's right. You can probably release the 52 and fire for now.
So.
Yeah, where they've already cleared.
Yeah. I mean, I guess in the meantime, nothing much going on with me. Watching a new Predator movie. I'm back out the door. I was in the middle of the Predator movie, new Predator movie, and I had to stop the damn movie because this storm. I'm not gonna give a review now. Let's wait for next time, because I got one more movie. I canceled my Hulu, so I need to watch this new Predator movie and the Toxic Avenger remake. You don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, it's kind of what sound makes. Everything's hitting the house. I haven't heard any sirens going off. Yeah, I can literally open the fucking door right now. I wouldn't. Or I can open the shades. Maybe I'll open the damn shades. There we go. There's the sirens. In theory, I should be in my safe space, but no, I'm at the door. I'm dangerous like that.
Only thing I've received on the weather alert is thunderstorms. Yeah, good one.
Better than safe than sorry. Safe than sorry. Those listening, don't be a high underpass ogre. Don't park in the underpass during a tornado.
They notified on city traffic that the fire department was going to be turning them on due to the incoming wind.
So they turned the sirens because of the incoming winds, which makes sense. It's a CYA situation. Yeah. Let's see what Ryan Hall. What? Actually, love this guy. Love this guy.
Showing signs of intensification. A severe thunderstorm warning might be needed out here soon. Y'all watch out. There's no warning on it yet.
We're going to be clear Memorial 10-7 for equipment Alpha 2.
I bet they don't get this shit in California. Do they still?
Under an ADD.
I know every state gets a tornado. 6:21 right now on the couch. I should be in my. I really hope you can hear why I'm hearing the sounds. Grafton, my old stomping grounds. Shipman, Illinois, was where the ex-girlfriend used to live.
We have a massive high-impact severe weather outbreak unfolding right now across the mid-Mississippi and Ohio valleys. And we've got a bunch of...
Ryan Hall's breaking the internet.
I believe we're a little late to be advised, but your
warning's rolling out right now.
setting off sirens.
Meteorologist,
Tight rotation.
something to say. Go ahead, Aaron.
I heard him this morning saying so. Maybe see if I can figure it out. So,
area just west of Mount Pulaski, Illinois.
looks like they said it was above fire station, moving southeast.
Based off the Lincoln radar. Looks like a little bit of greater.
That's right.
Something from fire station moving southeast. Hell, it could be here. It's already here, man. Oh, love that sound. It's mostly just high power winds. High power winds? Is there such thing as high power winds? Again, I am not in my shelter space. This guy's a doofus. Well, thunder. Thunder! Hold on. Here's the other window in my kitchen. So far, well,
93 from 112.
93, 93.
Vehicle 160.
now it's really intensifying. And there's some doofus driving in this. I think the worst of it's over. I can hear it dying down. Got a text coming in. Text coming in. I hope you can hear that. Against my door. It's really intensifying. It's against my window. Nothing between me and the glass. Yeah. So, come on. Gotta love this shit, man. Midwest. Gotta love it. Well, at least the plus side, I don't have to mow for a couple days. Granted, my lot's not big enough, but still. But it's just, I have no concrete drive, so it's mostly a problem of the driveway that's mudding it up. So that is the problem. Again, I hope you can hear the rain hitting the side of the house. Once again, make sure if you're on the road, don't be a
Camp Farm Road, and I
damn it, can I say something? I was going to say something. All right.
and I-72 Iliopolis turning orange.
Well, that storm's heading to Iliopolis. That's halfway between here and Decatur. So I think the worst of it's about over. But still, we're getting a major... Ooh, that's the device in the door. Sky now is lighting up. It was a dark, black as Cyclops. Now it's kind of hate to see if
I-72 eastbound off of 87, I-72 eastbound off of 87, right SUV in the median, right SUV in the median, the vehicle is upright and occupied.
once again, if you're on the highway during these, don't be an underpass ogre. Do not seek shelter in an overpass. Under overpass. Overpass. So it's really dying off now. But ooh, damn! Look at a neighbor's tree right in front of me, swaying back and forth. This makes me want to watch Twister. Twister would have been a good movie, except for the, oh man, they got Dorothy. Well, lightning. Oh well, it's good. Good. The at work sent out a mercy notice. You know.
Just as the International Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Logan County
So
until 7:15 p.m. Missouri National Weather Service Hayes.
yeah, I think it's pretty much over. Let's see what Ryan, my man. What do you have to say?
A spotter has indicated that there's a tornado on the ground here. We'll see if they upgrade that warning. But Chestnut, you guys got to get in shelter now.
Oh shit! Chestnut, it's gonna rearrange the nuts. That's not a big town at all.
South of that, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Springfield all the way over to Decatur. We're talking about 70-mile-per-hour winds coming in over the next 40 minutes. Get indoors and away from windows. It's
632, check the status.
in Springfield right now in Illinois. And the sirens are going off there apparently. There's no tornado warning, but there's a severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible tag. Go ahead and fast track that too, guys, if you don't care. We
4125.
do have another storm that we're watching south of Springfield, Missouri. This is going to be in Christian County and
Now, hold on. The feed sucks because I don't know if it's a lag here on the internet or
tornado
what.
warning continues for Jersey.
Well, Jerseyville, my
Cuban counties for the next 13 minutes.
my stomping grounds.
Point of view, I don't know if he's seeing anything. Let's hear from Andy.
Andy,
Hey Ryan, yeah, just my next update on that early call out on the storm near Sullivan, Missouri, going over to Ridgewoods, DeSoto.
well, you know what? I think the worst is behind us. I didn't talk about the screen went white.
Ridgewoods, DeSoto, Hillsboro. Again, I
Yeah, I think the worst is behind me. You can hear the rain slowly dying down. Anywho. All right. If there's nothing else I want to talk about, no, not really. I'm saving for the next time. You know, who knows? Maybe this time I'll have a new car. Yeah. Well, come on.
Your fire department is going to be en route to the 6500 block of Lake Service Road for telephone poles down with lines down on the car.
That's always dangerous. Well, anyways, yeah, mentioning error due to from work. Anyways, so I was saying, I may have a new car in the works. Time you see me, maybe I'll be doing my videos from a DeLorean. Who knows? That'd be cool. You know, they have, podcasting from a bus. You know, maybe I can have the DeLorean cast. Yeah, that's right. The DeLorean cast coming right soon. Soon to this network. Until then, I hope you found this odd little experiment. And, ooh, shit. What we got here in, Missouri. Dolomite twins. Anyways. Until then, keep, what's the tagline? Damn it, you've been saying it for about, what, a year now plus? Play it pretty for Sella. Or you can keep dry.